How to automatically transcribe audio in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video and audio and created a timeline. Right-click on your audio, video, or timeline and select Audio Transcription, Transcribe. Instead of doing this, you can select your video and click on this Transcribe button on top of the media pool. Now DaVinci transcribed the audio and created this text. Here you can increase or decrease the font, or change the theme. You also can search for a term. You can click on a word and the viewer will show the exact position of the video. Press the spacebar to play the video.
He had a unique perspective on the world.
You can select a range of the text and click on this button to play only the selection.
Mia refused to conform to.
You also can click on these two buttons to insert or append the selected range of the video into timeline. You also can create a subclip from selected range. Just click on this button and set the name of the subclip, and now this subclip is added to the media pool. You also can mark the selection with markers in the timeline. To correct a word, just double-click on it, click on the pen icon, and put your text. We can remove these silence parts too. Just click on this three dots button and click Remove Silence Portions. Finally, to export the text, click on the Export button, set a name for it, and save it. If you want to transcribe a media again, first you have to clear this transcription. Just right-click on the media and select Audio Transcription, Clear Transcription. Now we exported the transcription text that we can use. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.